SM store kay nga naman. Of course, they have it all. You scan to pay with PayMaya, you got a chance to win 1 for 2,000 for my brother-in-law. Oh, this is really nice. So, tanaw sa na to sling bag na for our tip. Also guys, if ever double ang 199 nga facial drawer organized to, and it really looking to no to single di magamit siyang online for double sa din siya of 1,969.50 cents. Kay Maya, this is the Ginaldo I am able to give back to the community. Today, join me as I'll be buying gifts for my family. And this year, it's quite challenging but I am exciting because for the first time, I am setting a budget or a limit for the gifts that I'll be buying for my family. Why? Kaya yes, it's quite a difficult year for us, so kinahanglan sa yuta magtipid-tipid o mag-budget gyud. And where would be the best place to do it would be in the SM store kay nga naman. Of course, they have it all for you. And not only that, SM offers a lot of promos and deals to make it easier and more affordable good for us. And most importantly, if ever you scan to pay with PayMaya, you got a chance to win one of the 100 motorcycles. Then again, in entering establishment, always remember to scan the QR code for easier contact tracing. Bisag na ay nagbantay kung wala, because it is our responsibility now to protect ourselves and protect others. Aside winning one of the 100 motorcycles, kaya ganahan na dyan ko magmotor karon because of the traffic, I am excited to use PayMaya because PayMaya has this PayMayaguinaldo campaign. PayMayaguinaldo is PayMaya's most rewarding gift to the Filipinos this Christmas. Why? Because they are giving PayMaya users the best value for their money through cashback and promos. And it gives Filipinos a chance to have a better life through their raffle promos. And it gives ninongs and ninangs the best way to share their blessings to inaanaks the digital way. And of course, lastly, it gives back to the community and helping grow small businesses across the country. Yes guys, every time you pay with PayMaya, you are not only earning a raffle entry to win cash prizes, but you also get a chance to help fellow Filipinos. With each purchase, you are also giving a PayMayaguinaldo to help micro-entrepreneurs in underprivileged communities, as PayMaya will also be donating a 1 million grand aguinaldo to Gawad Kalinga to help establish more resilient communities via micro-entrepreneurship around the country. For that, sa kadaghang sale, more daghang ako gusto paliton, pero dili para sa akong family, kundi para man sa akong self. One tip in buying gifts, always remember nga dapat na nakay-idea kung unsa imong paliton nga gift para dali na lang ay imuhang pagpili. Pero sometimes na jud kay makitaan nga good value nga usahay mausab ang imuhang plano. Oh, I'm so happy na slay pa motor area ang SM department store because akong brother-in-law magmotor man. Actually, I am really thinking to buy him something para sa motor. And I think this detachable mask ang goggles is really good kay di na siya kinahanglan mag face mask and dili sad mulupad sa tingali. So I am entertaining this idea to buy this for him. Pila gali ni siya? It's 349. So sige, ako sa siyang balikon kay namurag nakuilaing idea para niya. Pero seryoso, murag sulit kay siya ug murag ganahan sa gali ko for myself. And I am happy to see nga na affordable nga mask sulod sa SM kay actually ang siya available usually online, medyo mahal sad siya. And ganahan kay kung ani kay you can really see it and makita mo sa color para medyo fashionable na gyud ta, because we have to agree, we have to wear mask all the time. No, murag mo sa man ako mga plano sa ko ang gifts. Kay daghan jud kayo gifts idea nganhi sa SM, like na ay wooden speaker. This is so nice. Di nakakinahanglan mo charge mo amplify na diretso. This is so nice. And nasa sila mga affordable wireless headsets in which gamit yung kainin nato karon nga permira gyud ta online and na ating mga meeting online too. But okay, nganhi ko actually padong sa men's accessories or sa men's department because what I am planning to buy for my dad is like a sling bag. More decent nga sling bag because right now kinahanglan na gyud tag sling bag para na tay alcohol sa ato ang facial, sa atong face mask. Pero oy, di mo ko ka-afford, mahal-mahal siya. Yes, this is like one of my challenge. For this Christmas, I am budgeting myself for 2,000 pesos only. I'll be buying gift for my dad, for my sister, for my brother-in-law, for my niece, and for our house help. So 5 gifts for only 2,000 pesos. And I'm so happy nakita kong sling bag na 499 because ang sling bag earlier was around 1,500. Kani siya 499 lang siya and it looks decent also. Marag perfect siya para sa akong papa for a senior citizen. At least mabutangan nagyun niya siyang alcohol, sa iyahang cellphone, sa iyahang labakaran na kung gusto dadon o sa iyahang face shield. Yeah, this is really nice. Pero 599 ay siya, di siya 499. Mangita pataglain be. Kaya I think kaning murag body bag kay murag mas swak siya sa mga younger generation, pero for my dad niya nasa mga senior years, mas better tingali ang mas square type ras ani, mas pasok ni niya. Oh, this is really nice. So, tanaw sa nato pilay presyo basig mahal po ni siya. And it's 499 only. So yes, pasok siya sa akong budget and I think this is really nice. Pero magdi kay ko solve nga naa siya tabon-tabon kay mura maglisod og abli akong papa ani. And ang zipper gamay ra. And kani this one, I think this is more perfect for my dad kay dako ang zipper, daghan kay siya zipper and murag wala kaayo siya tabon-tabon. So I think this would be better pero mo na siya tan-aw sa dato pilay price ani niya. And it's wow, it's 499.75 also. So I think I am up for this na gyud dayon. O kanang mura ganahan galing kong buy for myself. Kanindot biya sad siya for 499 and it's really sturdy, leather siya, brown siya, my color I really like. And daghan sa yun siya compartment sa sulod and sa gawas o napagyud siya butanganan sa cellphone sa likod. So this is really perfect. But honestly, naglibog pagyud ko sa duha kay murag mas professional or mas cute mas sa ding usangan ay cover. Pero for me, murag akong dad sa putan o abli-abli iyang murag flip. So final, I'll be buying the one without the flip cover. So update ta. So for my 2,000 nga budget, nakuha na to og 499.75 for my dad. And wow, murag nice po lagi ni ang sling bag da for our house help. I was planning to buy him something else pero murag kaninindo ta sa ni because he usually goes out. Amo sa siyang suguon. So nindo sa nga mura siya gamay sling bag for the daily essentials na gyud niya kinahanglan nato again. And for 199 sulit ra kaayo siya and actually it is like waterproof, daghan sa butangan ng compartment, so sulit. So that was quick, second gift done. So to update sa ko ang dad around 500 niya sa mong house help 200, so mga 700 na nga to ang nagasto. Now off to buy gift for my sister, for my niece and my brother-in-law. One tip also guys, if ever you do Christmas rush or Christmas shopping, mas better good if ever mo bisita mo sa store 10 AM or the moment they open kay mingaw pa kaayo, wala pa kay daghang tao and mas makapili good mo og taro. Now I am the kids department, so wow. I am planning to buy something else for my niece pero murag affordable ra ang 199 nga facial kay gamay na lang baya ang para sa mga bata karon lisod pangitaon and murag kanisad siya, it's really nice but it's around 249. So quite affordable. Added nga yun nga lisod kay pangitaon ang facial sa mga kids and required na gyud siya karon sa Cebu City. Pero sige mangita patag something else because I am really planning to buy gifts nga murag something educational or kanang magamit niya sa iyahang klase in which online class sila karon. So murag ya kaning bag murag di siya magamit. And yeah, murag nice po ang medyas kay actually murag tugnaw sa siyang room tingali or unsa ba. So yeah, actually wala kay kuy idea. Pero nako sa home department, I think I'll have to buy first for my sister. Since my sister is working from home na lang po, actually she's teaching online and medyo nagubot na sa tingalang iyahang desk kita nang gamit na lang sa itong mga balay. So I am really entertaining to buy her a murag desk organizer para murag mas ma-organize ang iyahang work area. So, kanya murag nice siya drawer organizer para dili kay bungkang ato ang cables, ang ato ang stuff and 99 pesos ra siya. So murag I can buy probably 3 or 2 ani niya. Pero murag happy sa lagi ni siya kani murag stackable organizer and murag mas spacious siya ug mas daghan kag mabutang pero tan-aw sa nato kung maka-afford ba ta. And let me check it, it is at 159 pesos 0.75, so around 160. Probably pwede na ko siya mapalitan og duha ani. Yeah, kuya, please tabangi ko because I really want to know the size and how it looks like kung i-stock man siya. Pero yes, mas ganahan ko sa darker color kay para murag di siya maklaro kung maabog. Diba? Agree? So this is it. So I think I'll be buying 2 and it really looks so classy and posh for 160 pesos. So for that, I have decided that I'll be buying 2 kay para murag mas ma-organize and cute sa tan-awon sa iyang table. Actually, mas better to look pero murag basig di na makaya sa to ang budget. So, duha lang sa. Sige, salamat kayo kuya. So let's have a quick update sa kuang dad around 500, sa among house help kay 200, niya sa akong sister 320, so nanata sa mga 1,200 or almost half na ta sa tuang budget. For that, I think maka-afford na kumupalit aning water bottle because I think this is a little bit really not that affordable pero mas barato sa gidi siya compared sa uban. So let me check the price and it is at 449 pesos, around 450. Swak na jud kaayo siya with its size pag yun. And of course, I am really campaigning to no to single-use plastic, so mas better yun yun natay tubig all the time nga dala. And this is really perfect for my brother-in-law para at least na gyud siya bound nga tubig nga mo stay bugnaw og init for quite some time the moment nga mo trabaho siya. So let's have a recap for my dad, for our house help, sister and brother-in-law. Naka-total na tawag around 1,500 pesos. So napagyud tay mga 500 for my niece. And then again, I want to buy a gift for my niece nga something magamit siyang online class pero naana sa niya ang facial in which I've mentioned lisod yung mga taog facial para sa mga kids at 199 pesos. More affordable siya. So pero mangita sa taglain somewhere here ha. Pero actually, wabit ako kibawang sa akong paliton. And na nakoy idea. Nakakita ko og headset, and dili lang siya basta-basta nga headset ha. It is a noise cancelling headset in which gamit yung kainis siyang online class para dili madunggan ang mga iro o mga manok sa ato ang mga silingan. Pero hopefully affordable sa din siya og pasok sa atong 500 nga budget. And wow, tadang, it's 499.75, so pasok, it is meant to be, so done. So now let's total everything. 499.75 for my dad, 199.75 for our heart's help, 320.50 for my sister, 449.75 for my brother-in-law, and 499.75 for my niece. So we have a grand total of 1,969.50 cents, in which pasok yun kaayo sa atong 2,000 budget challenge. And I am excited to scan to pay with PayMaya for a chance to win one of the 100 motorcycles because this promo is up to January 15, 2021 pa. Anyway, I totally forgot to qualify. It should be 1,500 in a single receipt purchase. And napag another surprise because some of the purchases kay naka-discount di ay, such as ang bag sa akong dad is at 50% off. So munang ako ang budget kay mga 1,700 na lang. So yes, it's a sign nga mapalitan gyud ako og face shield ng ako ang niece. And for that also, the water bottle nga akong paliton is the bigger one, dili na ang small one. So pasok ra gyapon sa ato ang budget. Pila galitanan? Oh, ni-exceed lang ta og 15 pesos pero okay na gyud kaayo na siya. So this would really show nga if ever it's meant to be, it is really meant to be. And now let's scan to pay with PayMaya because of course I always advocate don't pay cash, PayMaya kay mas dali sa gyud siya, wala kay magunitang kwarta, which could be a vehicle of the virus, and of course mas seamless as magdali gyud kung cashless na gyud ang ato ang mga transactions. So just in case kung wala pa kay PayMaya, this is the sign for you to download PayMaya, and please use the super code on the screen. And use PayMaya on your holiday transactions because aside sa makadaog ka sa motorcycle of course the cashback rewards, PayMaya users can also get a chance to win 1 million PayMaya credits in the PayMayaguinaldo raffle promo. So now I am going home with a very happy and fulfilled heart because aside sa nakapalit ko og gifts for my family in a budget pag yun, kay of course galisod yun ang tanan karon na ako'y cashback nga dadawat, makadaog pag yung raffle promo sa PayMaya og napag yung chance makadaog sa motor. But the most important thing is through PayMayaguinaldo, I am able to give back to the community and help small businesses grow across the country. PayMaya really enables all kinds of creative ways to give this season, and of course the joy of discovering them and making our loved ones and community truly happy. But then again guys, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me on all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!